Day folks, welcome to Bright Mind Academy, where we bring brilliance to every lesson. Now, let's move on to question 9 under the very same question paper, May June 2023. Now, in the diagram, O is the center of the circle. Then ABCD is a cyclic quad. Okay, now we are required to prove that B and D, this angle and this angle are equal to 280. Now, how can we do that? Construct a line towards the lines that you are not going to prove with regards to. What do I mean? Remember, you want to prove this and this, so it means your line will go to opposite lines thereof, like that. Okay. Now, a construction is 1 mark. If you construct 1 mark, no construction, no mark. Name this 1 and 2. Okay. Now, this is very straightforward to prove. Now, angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. Can you see that? Yes. Now I now say angle O1, it is twice angle B. Y angle at center, it is equal to twice angle at circumference. Okay. Now I repeat the very same process with O2. Angle at center, it's gonna be twice angle at the circumference. Okay. Or yeah, it's like that. Okay. Yes. It's like that. Angle O2, it is gonna be twice angle D with the same reason. Okay. Now, but I know that these angles around the point, they are equal to what? To 360. So I'm gonna say angle O1 plus angle O2, it is equal to what? 360 degrees. Why? Angles around a point. Or I can just say revolution. Okay. Angles around a point, or you can just say revolution, it's fine. But what is angle O1? Angle O1, it is twice angle B plus angle O2, it is twice angle D, it is equal to 360 degrees. Then can I factor out something? Yes. Okay. Therefore, when I divide everything by 2, I get that angle B plus angle D, it is equal to 180 degrees. Simple. Done. We have proven. For 5 marks, very easy. Now, now, DEFG is a cyclic quad such that EF, it is parallel to DG. Okay, for this type of question, I do, okay, I have cyclic quad, I have parallel lines. Okay, H is another point such that DH, it is parallel to FG. Then let D1 equal to X. That one, they have already done that for me. Okay. Now I'm trying to prove that D1 it is equal to D2. D1 it is equal to D2. Let me just come and do my DEFG. Which one is that? DE. Oh, okay. Actually, DE it's like this. FG like that. Okay, that is a cyclic quad. Fine. Fine. If that's the case, that's good. Okay. Now I have parallel lines. Can you see that these lines are parallel? These. Oh no, I'm lying. I'm lying. Okay. Or parallel lines. Let me see a property that can work. Okay. Okay. Let me see the question. D1 and D2. Give reasons why D1 is equal to D2. Okay. Now all the properties should work that we see there of the cyclic quad, the the parallel lines, and all of those things. We should use them now, because now the examiner will never give us an information that we'll never use. Okay. But how can we go about that one? Now here we can say now this angle here, angle F, I'll say angle F, it is equal to 180 degrees minus x. Y opposite angles of a cyclic quad. Okay, I have to say reason opposite angles of a cyclic, you can say cyclic quad like that. Okay, now I know this angle, it is 180 degrees minus x. Okay, then now another thing that I can get again, it is if, sorry, if these two lines are parallel, these ones, let me do this. If these two lines are parallel and I have a line like that, do you all agree with me that this property says to me now this angle plus this angle, they should be equal to 180. When I add this and this, they should be equal to 180. Yes, this is x. It means now d angle EF, now uh, will equal to how much? 280 also, right? Minus x. Can you see that? Okay. Now, or rather we can say, right, um, if I can use this angle, okay. Now remember I'm trying to prove this is x, okay, but I still remember, I still have this property that these two lines are parallel now, right? If they are parallel like that, if I can prove that angle G it is equal to x, I can also, it means I'm done, right? But remember these two lines here, they are parallel. These ones I'll show you in black. These two lines are parallel. We were given that these two lines are parallel. Using the property, we know that this and this should be equal to 180, right? So we're gonna say now to us uh, angle G it is equal to 180 degrees minus this angle here, okay, which is 180 degrees minus x. So which is basically equal to x. Now what's the reason? The reason is what's the reason for this one? Co-interior angle. Such that what? Such that EF it is parallel to DG. Okay, can you see now that if this is x here and using my lines like that, that is alternating angles. Therefore, I can say therefore D2 it is equal to x. Why am I saying that? Alternating angles such that which two lines are parallel? Now, such that DH it is parallel to FG. Can you see? This one we used it. We used also this one. And here are they. Cyclic quad, we used one of its properties. Can you see that the examiner will never give you an information unnecessarily so? Then now we can say therefore angle D1 it is equal to angle D2 it is equal to x. We are done. Okay, that's how we were supposed to go about that one. So yes, thank you very much. Let's meet on the next question.